Hi everyone, I'm finally back to show you what I have been working on. Sorry. Okay, now I have been working on a couple of journals. There is this one here. I made this one for a one-on-one swap with Wendy Mason. So Wendy, this is your journal that I've made for you. And then I have this one here that is my design team project for Meg's garden, which we will go over very, very soon. So Wendy, if you prefer the other one, let me know and I can swap them over, but this is the one I did make for you. So yeah, just let me know. Now, I made this a little while ago, so I hope I remember everything. The front cover, these were designed by Andrea from ARTYmaze, I believe, and you'll find them as a free download on the Junk Journal Junkie site, so that's where you can get that from. And then I've just popped some of the rosette trim on there. I've used an envelope for the cover and just the faux leather look stitched around it, and I've popped some of the book corners on the ends, and it's just some of the fringe, some layering under there with some of the crochet trims. Seam binding for the closure with the eyelets, and as you can see there's lots of bits and pieces hanging out, lots of sewing, so if you don't like it all, Wendy, just clip it all back. It's perfectly fine. So let's go and have a look inside. I'm sorry about the video, it's being done at night rather than during the day because I'm not home during the day at the moment, and I really wanted to get this done, so we might have a bit of shadowing. Okay, right, so the inside pocket, the kit I've used is from ARTYmaze. It's her Back to Nature kit. So these pockets are part of her kit, and I've just lined the inside with some vintage paper. And I've just popped This Book Belongs To in there. The tags is this one here. And then I've made this little tag here. I was playing around with the beeswax. So the picture's actually covered in the beeswax. It smells like honey. It's so beautiful. There's the Paris stamp. Finally got hold of that one. That was in a Tim Holtz set. I think I paid 3 times the amount the bloody stamp set was worth, but never mind. That's what you get for living in Australia. So yeah, that's one of the kit, pages from the kit. And I've left a lot of journaling space because Wendy loves to journal. Some ephemera. And the bag here is from A Tattered Dream, so you'll find these in Denise's shop, the damask bag. Just a bit of baking paper that I've scrunched up there, sewn down, and just a butterfly. I've also used some scrapbook paper, and off the top of my head now I don't remember the name of it, but I know it's a Kaiser Craft stack. And these little doilies here are from Denise's shop as well. This whole tuck spot here is inspired by Denise from A Tattered Dream. Practice Makes Pretty here on YouTube. Love her journals, and she's a very big inspiration. So this is one of Denise's bits and pieces, and it's just the same on the other side. So they are tuck spots, so plenty of them. And over here is just some ledger paper. It's got a bit of trim on there, and the blingy butterfly, and some ephemera, and a tag with some stamping. So the whole style of this journal was inspired by Denise. Love her journals. And that's another page from the kit. And then we've got some decoupage in here and some tags with some sari silk on the ends. And I was just messing around with the doily and just sprayed it with some of the glimmer mist from A Tattered Angels Glimmer Mist or something it is. I can't remember and I don't have it here. So more journaling pages, and we have another tuck spot there and there. Again, the doily is from Denise's shop and I've just coffee stained it. And just an altered paper clip on the side. The tags are from the kit. Another tuck spot here, some more ephemera. Belly band, and in here we have an envelope. These are from the kit as well. So yeah, lots of sewing. A little butterfly up here. Another paper clip, and that holds this on, so that's just more ephemera for journaling. Little pocket here, just a little bit of decoration down the bottom. Tickets from the kit, just a little stamp in there. I don't know if you can see that, I don't know if it's going to focus. There we go, the Paris stamp. And just some ephemera in the pocket, so stamped on the tag. We'll have to, and the mason jar from Surname Rose. Another tuck spot. And that's tuck spot there as well. Right. Bring it in a bit, I think. Another envelope from the kit, and just inside I just have a heap of vintage ephemera, and that's just from the kit as well. That all goes in there, and that's also another tuck spot in there. And sewing this onto the signature. And another postcard. The glassine bag is from A Tattered Dream as well. And so is the little gold leaf trim. The image is from Surname Rose. Tag from the kit. And it's behind and the bag. Paper clip with some seam binding, and then just some ephemera for journaling. And that's the centre of the signature. I haven't put anything on here yet, but I will. I'm not sure what I'm going to do. I might put some butterflies, I think, on there. And another paper clip and tag. Some stamping. Another tuck spot with ephemera. And another tuck spot. Just some stamping on there, all layering. Journal spot, another belly band, a Tiffany & Co stamp, another tag. Another tuck spot here, ephemera from Surname Rose, doily again is from A Tattered Dream. I've sewn those down onto the page, so there's a lot of sewing. Tags, some stamping and decoupaging. journaling card. And a tag there. Coffee stained. The banner tuck spot. And again there. And I sewed that down across the page. The side of the damask bag. And it's just got vintage ephemera in it. And journaling card. Some trim on there, some butterflies. That's the end of the first signature. So yeah, sorry, this is 2 signature journal. So these are from the Digi kit. So beautiful, I love this. Another glassine bag, oh sorry, damask bag. Some trim on there. And that's just some calico, I think it is, with the butterfly on it. Or muslin, whatever you want to call it. And again on the other side. So all I've done is I folded the doily in half, cut my scallop circle, folded that in half, and when I'm making the banner parts, it's a long strip and I fold them in half, and that goes over the top of the page, and then I just sew them down. Some more, that's school paper, the little dotted paper, and the pocket here, all from the kit. These, there's so much that Andrea puts in her kits to work with to create your journals. She does a fantastic job. That's another page from the kit. So Wendy, I hope you like this. If you don't, there's always the other one, or I can start again. A little pocket with some decoupaging. This napkin I got given to me, I think, in a swap, or perhaps Donna Turner gave it to me, I cannot remember. But I only have the one of those, and that's open at the back as well. That's sewn on and just has a bit of trim down the bottom, but I liked the bird, thought it fitted quite well. Some staining, the tuck spot. Lace, some stamping, journaling cards, another belly band with some ephemera, wouldn't it be nice if we could buy a car for $45.25 or $49.75, young man's buggy. Oh, the prices. And just another journaling card. And the belly band there. Have a flip up here. And journaling card. These are from Surname Rose. Coffee stain tag with some seam binding. And these tickets come in the kit, so I've just folded them up, and you can journal on those in there. Another tuck spot, and that opens up. Got some sari silk on there, another butterfly, another tag for journaling. Seam binding on the end of the paper clip. Stick with the butterfly. Center of the second signature. And some more journaling cards and another tag. So that's from the kit, and these are from Surname Rose. And I put the fringe on after I decoupaged, so it's actually birds under here. I was kind of thinking I might cut the fringe off, and I thought, no, I like it, so I've left it so you can pull it up. It opens like that as well. Journaling card and a journaling tag. So that comes off. You can use that as a tuck spot as well. But this comes off, and it's one of the envelopes, just one of the tiny ones, and it has the journaling card inside. Plenty of room for journaling there, Wendy. I hope you enjoy using this. It's another envelope I've sewn onto the page. Some more stamping. There's another flip up here, holding on to some more tickets. And just some more journaling cards in here. And this is a little coin pouch and has a journaling card in there. The belly band, some more journaling, and another envelope, and it has more journaling space. Another tuck spot, or pocket, sorry, another journaling card, another envelope from the kit, and that opens up. Sorry, I'm trying to be quiet because the house has gone to bed, everyone's asleep, and I don't want to wake everybody up. So more tickets here. And one of the journaling tags from the kit, and just some seam binding, and the little glitter part there, the tinsel trim, is from A Tattered Dream. Some more decoupaging on the glassine bag from A Tattered Dream. Oh, the bag is, you have to do your own decoupaging. Tag from the kit, and then we have the doily tuck spot here. I love these doilies. I have to get some more, Denise. Okay, so tag there, journaling card, another of the glassine bags, and I've just sewn around and then glued the image down, otherwise you'll sew your bag shut. And then behind here I've popped this in here. You can use these as bookmarks. If you're making your own with this kit, you can actually use them as side tuck spots, that sort of thing. It's really pretty. It's a nice blue, so glittery. And then some more tags with the decoupaging and stamping. And another one of the tags. Sari silk on there. And another coin pocket envelope with the journaling card. Another tuck spot there and there. And tuck spot there, there, and there. if we can get into them. The other side of the damask bag, and I've put the leftover tags and cards in here. And some trim on that side, and we're at the end. Back pocket, we have a tag in there, and another my homemade tags. We've got a bit of stamping, I've got some music paper behind, some trim there, some buttons. The image there I have used the beeswax on, and just a glitter butterfly. And it's just some old vintage music paper, and then just a little stamp there. So there you have it. That's the chunky monkey that's been sitting here for a couple of weeks now, finished. I just had to do this video, and now I don't know where I pulled this from. Does anybody know? Yell out to me, I might hear you. Oh, darn it. Oh, here we go. Okay, so that's that one. Nice, big and chunky. So I hope you like blue tones, Wendy. And if not, then I'll pop this on Etsy for sale. But at the moment, this